this is Claire from Inspiring Yarns. The reason why so much wool is wasted here or is shipped to auction in England is because there are no wool processing facilities in Northern Ireland. In fact, there are no mill facilities anywhere in Ireland with scoring facilities, so if any of our wool is processed, it has to be done in mainland UK and shipped back to us. So much extra carbon footprint for such a natural product. At the moment, farmers don't get very much for their fleeces and it is treated as a waste product. More often than not, it costs the farmer more to shear their sheep than they get back in the value of their fleeces. Considering wool was once one of the most valuable resources we had, this is not good news. We want to work with farmers to improve the value of fleeces here in Northern Ireland and bring back a wool processing facility, the first of its kind since 1992. Processing wool is a huge part of Northern Ireland's heritage alongside so many other heritage textile crafts and skills, and through our combined passion for wool, we want to ensure these skills are maintained here and that we make best use of the natural resources we have available to us. We want to be able to produce 100% reared, sheared and spun in Northern Ireland yarns with the higher quality fleeces we have here, and also explore uses for the lower grade wools produced, including making felt for a wide range of purposes. Mill equipment is not cheap, and we already put all of our resources into providing community services to improve mental health and well-being across Northern Ireland and with cross-border projects. This is why we are asking for your support. Any donation up to £250 will be doubled by Aviva Community Fund and will support us to plan our site using cutting-edge environmentally friendly methods at each stage of production. From harvesting rainwater to solar panels to dealing with wastewater, we aim to have the most environmentally friendly manufacturing site in Northern Ireland. The mill will provide excellent training and employment opportunities in rural areas, will help us to generate more income to provide more services to support mental health and well-being through creativity. It will boost tourism and give us the opportunity to link with schools to develop programmes educating our young people on sustainability and environmental issues. It will ensure a fairer price for Northern Ireland fleeces and allow us to produce something to be proud of that is 100% traceable and makes best use of the resources we have here. Thank you for listening. We really appreciate any supports given to us during this crowdfunding.